Hello everyone. I am about to show you how to boot in recovery mode on your Intel MacBook. Let's get started. To boot in recovery mode, you have to power on your Intel MacBook, and as soon as you hear the chime, press the keys, Command and R. Let me show you. You have to hold the keys until you see the cursor on the screen. And now we have successfully booted in recovery mode. Through recovery mode, you can reinstall new version of macOS, or you can format your hard drive or SSD if something goes wrong. Thank you for watching.